Again, like we said about, I can tap into all these networks instantly because we're kind of like automatically family. Once I buy a location in their area, now I'm part of the family. And like, I can call somebody at corporate, they'll call them and be like, hey, introduce the new guy to this. So that's huge. And then, you know, we have some of the best teams. Like that was the big thing with ducks when we were the original brand. Tom Jacobellis is like the king of duck cleaning for the world. He's the president of ducks. So like now nobody in the world knows more about the technical side of ducks than we do, because we have the number one guy in the world on our staff, training us, teaching us, running the original training when you buy the franchise. And so that's, you know, a massive advantage on the technical side of like
just the processes.
Yeah. And then all of that, like you get 10 manuals in a row that Tom wrote.
Yeah.
The number one guy wrote of how to do every single thing.
So for example, like as someone that doesn't own a franchise, like it took me 10 years to work out those 10 books.
Oh, for sure.
Easily 10 years. And we're still changing them. We're still changing them, fixing them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's like, if I had a 10-year head start, I would probably be a lot more relaxed and get a lot more done.
Yeah. And like what we talked about earlier with like how miserable it is owning a business.
Yeah.
It's still going to be miserable to some extent, right?
Still got employees.
Right.
You still got customers.
Yeah. And there's still going to be car wrecks on the highway and whatever else.
Yeah.
But like you're saying, like having these 10 books already pre-made and knowing that they came from one of the smartest people in the world in this industry.
Yeah.
Well, that relieves a lot of stress and a lot of being miserable.
You just got to do it.
Yeah.
And you're not going to have a marketing company come and fucking ruin your whole life.
Right. If you buy a Belfour franchise.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then
you're really pushing this Belfour franchise.
Man, there's a lot of good ones.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
And we're growing. We're like, we a couple years ago, we bought a carpet company called ChemDry. If you've ever heard of ChemDry. Yep. We own that now. So we've got a bunch of different brands that all make sense because, you know, Belfour is a restoration company. If there's a fire in this building and it burns down, they're going to come in, redo everything. And so basically all of these companies go within what's going to happen on those jobs.
If you were going to do it all over again and you could get owner financing, would you buy a franchise or would you start a business? Would you essentially have your own sole proprietor business that was not a franchise?
Yeah, if I was going to go back in time, if I was going to do the duck cleaning again, I would do it this way.
Yeah.
The
franchise.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
it's been great. If I was going to go back 14 years in time and redo my life, I wouldn't have bought ducks. Like, obviously, hindsight's 2020.
Same, yeah.
And I've thought about this a million times. That money originally then, I think right now it's like in Bitcoin, it's like 700 million at 30,000. So it's like, obviously I would have done things differently. But no, if I was going to do a duck cleaning business again, I would do it ducks because the network is amazing.
College is getting less and less valuable, I think. That's just my opinion. And I have a bunch of random college degrees, right? Like I have an undergraduate in economics. I have another undergraduate in natural sciences, and then I have a master's in microbiology. And I was thinking to myself, are there any values to any of these things, like in what I do?
Well, I heard Mark Cuban say the other day, he said, because he went to Indiana University and like they just won the football championships. So like they were talking about it, but the guy asked him, he's like, do you think your college education was like valuable for you? And he was like, I think it was. He said, I think it was very valuable. He said, not what I learned.
Yeah.
But he said, at college, I learned how to learn.
How to learn, yeah. Exactly. No, this is true. But, you know, college is expensive and debt sucks.
Bad.
Right? So it's got potentially no ROI depending on which choice you go with, you know, in that regard. No direct ROI, only indirect ROIs. So I was thinking to myself, like, you know, if I was a young person and I was considering just taking online courses rather than going to an institution and spending a lot of money for it, what would be the most valuable things that I could have learned at college?